Distributed teams. Distributed teams have evolved from a niche concept into a global work standard, especially in the post-pandemic workplace culture. While distributed teams boost diversity, flexibility, and scalability, they can also reduce cohesion, productivity, and inclusivity. It impacts company culture, increased turnover rate, and talent management costs to companies. UnityNext is here to help companies overcome these challenges with a gamified virtual platform designed for team connection and engagement. It is a company garden that allows employees to collaborate and visualize their contributions, represented by flowers that grow with time and team appreciation. Employees earn honey coins after each project ends. They can redeem the honeys at an incentive center for team-building experience like sport outings, tech talks, and even relocation adventures. UnityNext offers weekly and monthly analytics for leaders to view the team performance. We are here to turn your distributed team into a collaborative, proactive, and adaptable force. Join UnityNext today and watch your team thrive. UnityNext, a gamified scenario that elevates your distributed team culture and collaboration.